Welcome to Hilton Rose Hall. So when we first got here, the room was clean and sealed. So I'm just going to quickly give you guys a room tour. Okay, so as you enter, there is like a double door closet area here. And it also opens on the other side. So up top we have a safe, and I've already just put my stuff down here. So as you can see, it's a decent size. Next I'm going to be showing you the bathroom. Alright, we have a LED mirror, which I like. We have soaps, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. Actually, this is a first. From traveling with COVID, I've never really seen any hotel give hand sanitizers, so this is a first. Definitely going to be using that. So under here we have storage areas. Toilet was clean and sealed as well. This is the shower. We have some towels here. All right, so 2 queen beds. I have a television. We have our mini bar.
Michael, do not engage until we have the rest of the team in position.
These were given to me. This I brought from home because you don't know COVID time now. So I want to show you guys the view. We are actually on the 3rd floor, which is not very high. And it was raining when I got here, so the day looked kind of gloomy. So there we go. So we have a resort view, not too bad. And we have a little balcony area here. You can sit down, you can come out, you can have a cup of coffee, you can take in the scenery. Very nice.
And on we'll go.
So I haven't been to Hilton in a while. It's one of those properties that I really love, I really enjoy. So I'm just looking forward to having an amazing weekend, and I'll check in with you guys, keep you updated.